Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Make Money Online TV. In today's video, I will show you a secret website that you'll be earning money from. This secret website has not been known to so many places in the world today. In this website, or app, you will be earning $5 per minute. When I say $5 per minute, very simple. Do the job, they will credit you PayPal or Pioneer account. Now let's jump toward it and let's see what is it. Now the name of the website is called Clickworker.com, or if you add the app, you can just say Clickworker. This is the app, the name of the app, Clickworker. That's the name of the app. Let's jump toward it and see what it has for us. It's still loading up, and this website is very simple to operate and very nice to be doing work with. All you need to do is to do the work, submit, approve, and you take money to the bank account. So you can see the website has opened up. This is the website. It's very simple and compatible website, and the app that you can download the app through the Google Play Store. And this, now look at the jobs we are asked to be doing. For us to get the $5, take 3 shots. Educational video of your child or yourself to train AI. When you do the job, within how many hours they will verify your work, then they will credit you back to your Pioneer on PayPal account. So look at the other one, $5, $5, $5, $4, $20. Photoshop. I take pictures of different franga of men. Just by taking picture, you'll be earning $20. Another one, $20, and so many. Now the right way to do this job is for you to click on it. After you click on it, you now read the instruction given to you, or how you are going to be doing it, organizing. Now what you're going to do is to accept the job. After you have accepted the job, then you choose the kind of adult you want to use. I know this is very easy for you. If you just follow the instruction, click and get the text there. Anyone processor and middle voice, anyone you want to use, click on it. Before you follow the instruction, if you do not follow the instruction, they would credit you, they will take down your video. So you need to do just to accept the job, follow the instruction, and do whatever they ask you to do. After you are ready, you now see go with your camera there. That just do it there. Then back to the others. All you need to do is you need to also do the same, follow the same instruction. Then the other one follow the same instruction. Follow the same instruction. Then you do be creating to your now look at them. If you look at the contract payment details, this is what it has payment details. You must have a PayPal account. You have a PayPal account. You have a PayPal account. Then when you are signing up through the website, they will ask you to verify your Pioneer so that you can be able to join the Pioneer, so that you can receive payment from Pioneer account. So this is where I will start the video. The link is below my YouTube, my description. Click on it from there. Use my referral. I'll go on. I'll do the task and join it. I'll receive your money to your Pioneer or PayPal account. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.